All right, next step, dotted notes. Dotted notes are very confusing. Most important rule that you can remember about dotted notes is what I call the rule of three. Okay? If you remember rule of three and how it works, you can figure out literally any dotted note. Remember I referred earlier to the note tree and note the order. Whole, half, quarter, eighth. We could keep going. For our purposes right now, we'll stop at eighths. So when we have a dotted note, the rule of three says that this dotted note is worth three, always three, worth three of the next smallest note. In other words, the next note down in the tree. We have a half note. The next smallest note is a smaller note, is a quarter note. So this is equal to 3 quarter notes. So for counting purposes, 1, 2, 3, and because that's a long note duration, we underline 4 in parentheses. We can reverse that. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost put parentheses around that. Underline. Okay? So for clapping purposes, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also have notes along with that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 we don't need to underline, it's just one beat. So for that, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dotted half notes, super, super, super easy. Any dotted note is easy if you remember the rule of three and then count. Okay? Dotted half notes, 3 beats, half note equals 3 quarter notes. The dotted half note is 3 quarter notes. That's dotted half notes. We'll come back to that rule of three a lot.